What's up, my Kinky Girls? Welcome back. And if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm Tanel of Kinky to the Core, and as you read by the title, today is all about this beautiful bouncy hair. And no, it's not my hair, as you guys read the title. It is another braidless crochet tutorial, and yes, it's been a long time since I've done a braidless crochet, but I feel like it's the fall time and you want a quick, easy, protective style that you can do yourself, because this is to all my girls who do not know how to cornroll, braid, twist, none of that stuff. This is the style for you. And if you enjoy big hair, this is also the style for you. It's just volumes and volumes and volumes of curls, and I love it. Okay, to achieve this look, I use Expressions de Cuevana Bounce curls in the color 1B. I use 3.5 packs. I purchased 4 packs. This is, I have like over about half a pack left. Yeah, about half a pack. It's about 20 in each pack that comes in the pack. That comes in the pack of hair. It's about 20 of these ringlets right here. And a half. If your head is bigger than mine, you may need more, but to be honest, you really don't, because this hair really gets big. I was very sporadic as I placed it, because as I was putting it in, I could tell that it was going to get bigger. The parting sections, I did the knotless crochet method, which you would see in the tutorial. I also did a 2-part base underneath here, so that way I have the option of rocking it in the middle or putting it on my right side. If you like your part on the left, you can do it, or if you like to alternate, you can do a 3-part. So underneath here is a ponytail, and I just parted it on the right because I like to wear my part on the right side. So I parted on the right side in the middle. This is the parting section right here. And if I want to rock the part, I just flip it over. And voila, I have a different hairstyle. You guys, I don't know which way I like better, the center part or the side part, so I don't know. I like both of them. I just don't know which one I like better. I don't know which one I like better. So in the comment section down below, let me know which one do you like better. Do you like the middle part or do you like the side part? It took me about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to complete, because I added some conditioner and some leave-in conditioner and some oil to seal in the moisture before I put this in. I want to stress how important it is to moisturize your hair before you put the crochet in. If you want to, if you are scared that it's going to damage your hair, which it's not, ladies, you can get one of those. You can get a netted cap and put it on, and then that way crochet through the net, which you have some type of protection. This style is meant to last. You can probably get 3 to 4 weeks, maybe 5 weeks, depending on how long the curl lasts, because it's in synthetic hair, and as you can see, it has already gotten frizzy, which is going to give you more volume and more volume and more volume. If you want to see how I achieve this look and this look, please stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It's right there down below, the red button that says subscribe. It looks something like this. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your post notifications. That way you will be alerted anytime I upload a video. Also follow me on my social at Kinky to the Core. I can be found on Instagram and Facebook. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and you already know, thank you for watching. I love you guys for watching. Now, let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Let's get on to the video. Bye. Okay, ladies, to begin, like I stated in the intro, I will be using Outre Cuevana Bounce in the color 1B, and I use 3.5 packs to achieve this look.
Now here is the foundation was underneath the crochet style. Like I stated, I have a middle part and a side part, and I just slicked it back and molded it with some gel and made a low bun. And I also want to stress how important it is to keep your hair moisturized during this style. Remember, you want to always protect your hair underneath. Now to begin, this is what each individual piece looks that comes in the pack. Each pack has about 20 of these ringlets, and it's not pre-looped, but it has a nice size opening for you. So just like any other crochet style, you want to slide the crochet needle or latch hook through your hair, loop the piece of hair on the needle or latch, pull through, slide the ends through the loop, pull and secure. And you just want to complete this process all the way through. You may need to separate just a little bit at the top to make sure that it's secured. Now when it came to installing the hair in the back, as you will notice, I am installing the hair around the bun and not going through the bun. Don't worry ladies, that bun will not show once the style is completed. The hair has so much volume that the bun will become undetected. And you just want to complete this method as well until and checking to make sure that the bun is not being seen. So while you're doing it, you just might want to check now and then to make sure you have the right amount of coverage. So I have used one pack of hair, and this is what it's looking like so far. I decided not to separate it because it was giving me so much volume and I did not want to create any frizz. So now we're moving on to pack number 2. We're going to continue with the same method, and this is the results after using 2 packs of hair. Real nice and full. The curls are nice and bouncy. It has that wand curl effect, and I am loving it so far. And this is what the back looks like. See, I told you ladies, it will be undetected once you add more hair, and that's what we're going to continue to do. We're going to continue to do the regular old crochet method with the loop and pull, and then once we get to the party section, I'm going to do the knotless crochet method. And now it's time to tackle these parting sections. We're going to do the side part and the middle part, and we're going to make sure that we do both sides of the middle part. So this time around, we're going to take the hair, but we're going to separate it into smaller pieces, and it will create a couple of frizz, but to me it gives it a more natural look in the front. So we're going to begin doing it the original way by latching the hair onto the latch hook, pulling it through. Now this time around, instead of pulling both ends through, we're only going to take one section and pull it through, and voila, knotless crochet method. And that's pretty much it. We're going to separate the hair and continue to do the same thing. Okay, so we're finally finished with the install, and this is what it's looking like. As I stated, the front pieces will be frizzier than the back, well, the rest of the hair, because we did not separate the hair. So I am loving it, and this is what it looks like once you flip the hair over And both sides of the parting area, like I stated, is knotless, and I am loving it. So you girls already know I have to shape it and do what I do best, bring out my shears and begin to cut this bad boy.